Hello YouTube, this is Diksha and today I'm going to showcase how to customize your Kali Linux screen resolution with your M1 Mac. As you can see on my screen, I have configured my Kali machine resolution according to my M1 Mac. I'm going to showcase you all how to configure your machine. For this, we need to arrange some setting. Let me open UTM. Let me power system close this machine. Yes, and here you can see the Kali is not configured. Click on the setting and go to the display option and click on the fit to screen and retina mode. You can read the description or down written that require spice-vdagent tool to be installed. Retina mode is recommended only if the guest OS supports. Yes, our Kali Linux support the retina mode. We need to install a spice-vdagent tool. I will give the command to install that. Let us save this and run our virtual machine. Let me enter my username and password. As you can see, the screen resolution is not fit to my M1 Mac. As I maximize it, we need to install a spice-vdagent tool. I will give the command to install that. This is the command with which we can install a spice-vdagent tool. I'll give this command in the description. You can easily copy from there. Let me copy and paste here. And since it is required sudo permission, let me give my password and hit enter. I've already installed, so I will simply close the window. Now go to the setting manager, and go the display, and in the resolution tab, select the 1400 into 900 resolution. This has worked for me very nicely. Let me apply and keep the configuration close. And when we re-maximize it, it will fit properly with our M1 Mac resolution. Hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.